Hello, in this ICP today we are going to see the image plotting, and also we will see how the testing data, training data, accuracy and loss changes with various changes in the training model. So in this ICP I'm going to make the changes in the hidden layers and also scaling up the data. So first we will see how the training is done. So first you should import all the required packages. It is the Keras, NumPy, Matplotlib, and also the TensorFlow. For this I'm importing, I'm taking the dataset that is already in the Keras, that is the MNIST dataset. So I'm going to import the images and labels in that dataset into the train images, like and the test images. So after that I'm going to plot the train images, so you can see how this is plotted. So after that I'm going to reshape this data, reshape the data, like the image dimensions, and I'm going to save it in the test data. After that, this train data is the train data type is changed to float, and also the test data type is changed to float. After that I'm scaling the data here. The train data is scaled as 255 bytes, and also the test data is scaled, so it is scaled in order to get more accuracy, because you will have different types of values for the data. In order the model not to consider the priority between the data variables, you will do the scaling. So after that, so after that I'm going to encode the data to change the data in all into similar data types. After that I'm here you can see the hidden layers. You can add or remove the dense layers accordingly the accuracy and the loss changes. After that I'm going to plot the test image over here, and before that I'm going to calculate the accuracy and loss. So I will run this and you can see how it is done. You see this is the first trained image. So it is calculating both the accuracy and loss, and also it plots how the accuracy and loss changes, and it also displays the test image. So here see this is how the loss changes for the train and test. The blue line is the train image and the orange line is the test one. Here is how the accuracy changes, and this is the test image. So this is some of the task, and after that we should I'm going to remove the scaling in order to see how the accuracy changes. First you can observe here the loss of the data is 0.086 and the accuracy is 0.97. So I'm going to remove the scaling now, and let's see how the loss and accuracy changes. You can already see the train picture is plotted. So for each and every sample in the data set, it will calculate the loss and accuracy, and it is going to print it the overall loss and accuracy. After that it is going to plot the accuracy and loss changes from each and every sample. So you see the loss is 0.19 and the accuracy is 0.94. You can see that the loss increased and the accuracy decreased because we removed the scaling. So this is our today's ICP. Thank you.